Hi, welcome to Kids Baking Club. I am thrilled that you are here. We are the baking channel to teach kids and parents how to bake and decorate. We love sharing all of these tutorials just for you so you can learn the art of baking. Now, if we learned anything from 220, is that our kids do better getting off their digital devices and getting into hands-on learning. Actually, along with our baking channel, we also have our baking kits. And if you want to be part of our membership, all you have to do is go to kidsbakingclub.com and we will send you one of our monthly kits. What they include are step-by-step photo recipes that kids are having fun with, lots of tools that they get, a free apron, kid size, and we also include shopping lists, dietary modifications, and it also comes with a link to our private decorating videos that actually show kids how to decorate the things that are in their kits. So join us at kidsbakingclub.com and we will send you a kit out today.